Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS version and have your Apple ID and passcode at hand. Open home screen and locate Maps. This is where you act. If screen time or restrictions are enabled, make sure to allow app deletion first, because otherwise the delete option won't appear. Once done, press and hold the Maps icon until the quick menu appears. Then choose Edit Home Screen or Remove App. This is the first actionable step to start removing Apple Maps from your iPhone. You now delete the app. Tap Remove App and confirm Delete App. This removes the app binary from your device. Make sure to check settings under your Apple ID and iCloud to verify that location data or app data isn't lingering. Turn off any map-specific toggles if necessary. After deletion, restart the iPhone to clear any cached background processes and ensure the system reflects the change. If you plan to replace it, install an alternative Maps app from the App Store now, since that restores navigation functionality. To finish, confirm Maps is removed from both the home screen and app library. Swipe or search to verify. If the app reappears or won't delete, make sure screen time restrictions are off. Sign out and back into your Apple ID, then try deleting again. This solves many sync-related issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, if deletion still fails, update iOS to the latest version and reboot. Sometimes system updates fix permission bugs that prevent app removal. You'll be done once Maps no longer appears on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.